Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Y'all, it's cold in the mug outside. All my Midwestern people, is y'all all right? Anybody living in the Midwest, y'all good? Because baby, I'm cold, okay? I'm cold, but we're finna get out here today, go to a few stores. There's a new Dollar Tree that just opened, so I want to go there. So yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a little bit when we get to the store. Okay, so right when you walk in, y'all, we have some furry pillows. Those are $5. We got Easter stuff out already. That's cute. Hang it with my peeps. And then there's another one. What's this one say? This one says welcome peeps. What is this? Peeps bunny candle. Oh, it's an LED candle. Got it. $5. String lights. $5. St. Patty's Day decorations. Skirt. I miss this on this side, y'all. Look at that. This huge inflatable. This Peeps throw. And they got that design for the inflatable too. Got all the Valentine's Day stuff out. Garland. It's wood signs. Oh, these are ornaments. I know people that do like the Valentine's Day trees year round. So that'd be cute. Oh, so a tree topper. It's cute. They have those tabletop signs. The window clings. A few different designs. Cooking mittens and kitchen towels. Those are cute. I really want to make a rose, like a flower wall. It really fun. See, I would have to buy so many of these. I don't know. That'll be another project. And they have those bins, different color bins down there. Yeah, this is cute. Little Starbucks cup dupe. They have these canisters in the dark pink, light pink, and red. And even these little mini buckets. Use those for like candy, stuff like that. They even have these dishes here. Hard dishes. And then these caught my eye here. These are cute. They are plastic. A little gumdrop machine. You do have Mardi Gras favors too, because it is Mardi Gras season. I'm gonna make the Mardi Gras one of these years, y'all. But it is Mardi Gras season 2. So we got a lot of different masquerade mask. That back over to some Easter stuff. They have these cute little cups. The pink, purple, and the orange. And then I think these are dishes, these little bunny dishes. Have them in yellow, purple, pink, and blue. They're cute. And some more Easter stuff here. Those welcome signs. The little carrot is cute. And the Easter bunny. Then you got some summer ones. 4th of July. And then some more Easter decor here. These are so cute. Little soap dispenser. This little bunny. This is the little chick. And then a little Easter egg. They have some really pretty claw clips. I've never seen them have these. They have it's pretty with the color. They have this little braided headband. That's cute. I didn't even know Pines had facial wipes. I've never seen these before. LA Colors. Power Pigments. They have these. Look at these. Not a lash case. Cool. They got the Ioni. Listen, don't sleep on Dollar Tree for the lashes. The Ioni lashes. Definitely about to pick up some of these. They have this style too. I'm also pick up some of these. Facial razors. Always gotta have these. And I'm gonna pick up their lash glue. I'm gonna try the lash glue. I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it out. They have a lot of good stuff for skincare. A lot of stuff I haven't seen. Charcoal sheet mask. Which has some toners. Other sheet mask. I also have, what is this? Retinol. Now remember, I told y'all these my favorite barbecue chips, y'all. Well, I got them last time and they was expired, so let me check. So we gonna get some of these because they good. So we went at the self checkout. That's what I'm talking about. Period. Hang on. So that's pretty much it for this Dollar Tree haul, y'all. I just wanted to come and see what they had in the new Dollar Tree. Everything is nice and clean. So yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on another video. Bye, y'all.